haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.
Hello and welcome back to another KCC video. I'm Rob, and today we'll be jumping into Nuclear Revenge. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know when the next video goes live. Our story today comes to us from Lammy2175. What's his most prized possession? I will destroy it. Let's jump right in. Kind of a long one, but on the plus side, the only story I am likely to ever post here. This happened back in 1989. The story involves my stepdad, biological dad, and my sister. The person who exacted the revenge has passed now, so it should be safe to relate. I hope it meets the requirement for nuclear revenge. It is a revenge that would warrant prison time, I believe. I was living outside the country when this happened, so my sister relayed all of this information to me about a year after it happened. We recently got together again and went over the events again. My biological parents married when they were very young, and Donald was still in law school. The marriage lasted long enough to produce 2 children. They didn't waste time in those days. My sister, who is 14 months my elder, and myself. They were divorced before I was born. Donald was a serial cheater, a pathological liar, and a total a-hole. He still is, at least a liar and an a-hole. He's in his mid-70s now, so maybe not so much with the cheating. The fact that he is still working as a lawyer, I think, is indicative that he was never a good one, as he evidently doesn't have enough to retire. I've looked up reviews of him online, and it's funny to see that most reviewers say that he is not only a terrible lawyer, but a horrible person. When Sis was 22, she was a single mother, and my nephew, her son, was around 3. Her company transferred her to another state. She discovered that Donald lived in a town near her new work location and thought that he might be able to help her get her bearings in a new place. For a short time when we were teenagers, he had some sporadic involvement in our lives after moving to a neighboring city. It was mostly him trying to impress us with how cool and rich he thought we should think he was. So, though it had been a few years since she had seen him, it's not like they were complete strangers. In any case, Donald agreed to let Sis move into his apartment with him, his girlfriend at that time, of course, many years his junior, and her 9-month-old child, not Donald's, until she was able to find her own place. He also offered to allow her to keep her belongings in his storage unit. Sis took him up on his offer. Never did Donald make any reference to being paid for the use of the storage unit or paying for utilities at the apartment. Sis stayed 3 months and did her best to get out as quickly as she could and as far as she could once she became more familiar with the area. Living with him was hard. Did I mention he is an a-hole? And her young son would find his pregnant lady sexy mags around the apartment. This is obviously pre-internet. Donald's young girlfriend was able to help with babysitting, something Sis paid her for. So Sis gets her own apartment, but all of her things, her son's toys, furniture, her furniture, household items, everything but her own bed was still in the storage unit. So she called him to figure out how she could get her things back, but he seemed to want to hang on to them for some reason. He said, "You owe girlfriend money for babysitting, and you can't get your things back until you pay her." She said, "Have you talked to her? I have paid her everything I owed her." He puts down the phone and talks to girlfriend, and she confirms that she has been paid. He then says, "Well, you owe a third of the utilities for the time you were here." She reminded him that he had never said anything about that. He gets a little heated, and she's feeling desperate and angry, and shouts an accusation of something he did to her when she was very young, a totally different story. He responds, "Have you ever told anyone that?" She says, "No." He says, "If you ever do, I will wring your effing neck." And the conversation ends. She had given up and thought she would never see her things again. About 20 minutes later, she gets a call from an acquaintance who had actually gone on 1 or 2 dates with Donald before she met my sister. He tells Sis that Donald had just called her, asking if Sis had ever told her anything that he might have done to Sis, hinting at the accusation Sis had made. Sis had never told anyone, and the acquaintance told Donald as much. Sis later calls my stepdad, whom we have always considered to be our dad. He is the only father we knew growing up, and he was in the picture since before we were old enough to remember. He married my mom when I was an infant and my sister a toddler. They were married 40 years until my mom's death. The guy absolutely had a lot of faults, passed in 2017, and we often felt better when